Hello, and welcome to our basic presentation for Total Support HelpDesk. Since 1994, our HelpDesk software has found its way onto thousands of desktops and mobile devices around the globe. With the versatility to configure as a standalone, using the built-in fully customized Contact Manager, or integrate with ACT Contact Manager, MS SQL contacts, or any ADO DB contact database, HelpDesk fills the customer service need. Total Support HelpDesk tracks calls and emails from inception to resolution with all the bells and whistles in between, so you never lose a customer in the cracks of production. My HelpDesk is the user's dashboard into the software, giving them a quick glance of what is going on and what has already happened, along with quick access to inquiries, hot tips, and known issues. If you are configured as standalone, the contacts database is where you will manage all your customers' details. If you are configured with ACT, MS SQL, or another ADO DB contacts database, you will manage your customer details outside of HelpDesk and you will not see this contacts queue, but almost all the features function in the same way. The inquiry queue is where all your HelpDesk tickets reside for each of your customers. When a user logs in, they will automatically see their inquiry tickets that they own and inquiry tickets owned by their department. The inquiry holds all the details about a specific issue. The open inquiry contains the contact's information on the top left. This information is populated from your Contact Manager. On this screen, you can change the contact name, phone, extension, and email to match the person who's actually calling, and this information will remain with this inquiry. The top right contains what they are calling about, selecting from a pre-configured category and products list that your admin user created, and a brief description of the problem. Along with a ticket status, the priority, which will autofill based on how your admin set priority configuration, can change to fit the caller's needs. And if using HelpDesk in a real-time call center, using the line field to know which line your caller is waiting on. The center tabs are in most part configured by your admin user and contain Contact Manager fields or inquiry fields. Contact Manager fields can be configured as read-only or allow editing. These are windows to your Contact Manager. Any changes made here will be changes in the Contact Manager. Inquiry fields will save the data to the inquiry only. If configured with an external Contact Manager, like ACT, we would recommend creating a new contact tab labeled HelpDesk, and then create a memo field to hold notes from HelpDesk. You can map this memo field to the Inquiry Center view so users can add contact notes that can be viewed in ACT. Another way to add notes back to ACT would be to use the Launchpad to open the ACT Scratchpad. Adding notes through the Scratchpad will be placed on the Notes tab in ACT. Known Issues is an additional database that keeps track of bugs, enhancements, documentation changes, wish list items, just about anything you want to track outside of an inquiry. You can also link an inquiry to a known issue. Once a known issue is resolved, there is an option to send an email to all linked inquiries letting them know a resolution is available. Email processes both inbound and outbound emails, supporting POP3, IMAP, and Gmail accounts for inbound, and SMTP for outbound. Emails can be linked directly to inquiries, or if configured as standalone, you can link emails directly to the contact record. From the email queue, you can find the contact record and create a new inquiry, open an existing inquiry, or reopen a finished inquiry. Hot Tips database is the place for all your FAQs and Q&As. Hot Tips can be used internally or shared with your customers. Link Hot Tips to outgoing emails. Returns, also referred to as RMAs, for tracking returned merchandise. Each RMA is linked to an inquiry. Task is a great place to keep track and schedule all your to-dos. You can even create and assign tasks to other users, setting due dates and priorities. Bulletin Boards is an internal alert/notification queue. Here you can create multiple boards for different departments and/or users and assign rights to each board. You can also notify users when a new post is made. Total Support HelpDesk also includes standard reporting, customized email templates and signatures, intake forms for Q&A, priority and escalation, workflow, and so much more. We invite you to visit our website for more information posted on our support zone. We have assembled a hot tip of FAQs posted on our homepage. If you have any questions that are not addressed there, please feel free to contact our office either by phone, email, or live chat, and we would be happy to answer any questions you may have. We know your time is valuable, so we thank you for this time given. We hope to have an opportunity to work with you and your team in getting started with Total Support HelpDesk.